run in town. When they cross this time, we will bid them adieu. They will say goodbye, Ben Franklin Parkway. We'll see those laps go by in somewhere between 32 and 36 minutes each, the big ones, including the Manayunk line. Well, Philadelphia, they are rounding the final turn down there, and this is it. They head out on the big course. Manayunk, thousands of people up there ready for this bike race. They are saying, bring it on. The traditions of Manayunk, the craziness up there, O'Brien's watering hole, everybody's queued up. Our guy Dan Mowdy at the top of the hill. We're going to be able to get some reports from him here in just a few minutes. But here's our race leader off the front bush, and followed by our entire pack. See you guys later. Send them out. Welcome to Kelly Drive. Robert Bush will be the first man to put tires to tarmac on Kelly Drive. And now the chase is on. Rider number 111 is out there trying to make his presence felt from Jelly Belly Cycling, William Dixon. And the peloton behind, starting to stretch it out as the tempo is picking up. And Bush is the out.